In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix this page isn't available on Facebook. Alright, so I'm starting off by opening up my browser. This can be any browser you're using, and once it's open, I'm right here on the main screen. From here, I'm going to move up to the top corner and look for the three dot icon. So I'll go ahead and click on that, and once I do, a menu drops down with a bunch of options. Now in this menu, I'm going to find settings. So I'll scroll a little bit until I see it, and then I'll click on settings to open up the browser's settings page. Alright, now that I'm inside settings, I'm going to look for privacy and security. It's usually on the side or somewhere near the top depending on the browser, so I'll go ahead and click on privacy and security. Once that's open, I'm going to look for the option that says delete browsing data. Sometimes it might say clear browsing data, but it's basically the same thing. So I'll go ahead and click on that. Now I've got a window open showing different types of data I can remove. What I'm going to do here is make sure that cookies and other site data is selected. That's the important part for fixing this issue. So I'll check that option. Alright, once that's selected, I'm going to go ahead and click on delete data. So I'll click that, and now the browser starts clearing out those stored files. It might take a moment, so I'll just wait for it to finish. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to go back to Facebook. So I'll open the Facebook tab again, or just type it in and go back to the site. Now that I'm back on Facebook, I'm going to refresh the page. So I'll click the refresh button or reload the page, and this helps load everything again with the cleared data, and just like that, the page should load properly without showing that error anymore. So yeah, that's how you fix the this page isn't available issue on Facebook, by clearing your browser data and refreshing the page.